Hello, everybody.
Good morning. Ahoy.
Very well. Yes. Relax. Yes, I have done.
Chiropractor Vitaly Kazakevich.
Okay. Relax. Relax. Very well. Another side. Relax. Are you okay?
Yes.
Very well. Lay on me. Relax. Relax. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Okay. Very well. Very well. Okay, physiotherapy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Muscle relaxation. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Are you okay?
Yes.
One more. Oh. Relaxation? Yes. Focus, focus. What's happening? What is fuck? Too much magnetotherapy. Lisa, where are you? Where? What going now? Does it hurt?
Yes, very painful.
Wow, wow, wow. What is all? Go out. Stand up. Okay. Lay. Okay. Now we will be doing session of shock wave therapy. Are you ready? Yes. Relax. Round. Are you okay? This is problem. Muscle very strong. Are you okay?
Yes.
Does it hurt? No?
I'm alive.
It's okay. Very, very well. Continue it.
Yes.
Yes. Relax. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Be patient. Are you okay? Does it hurt? It's all. It's all. How do you feel?
I'm fine.
Like this, like this. Now we'll be doing correction of the first cervical vertebra atlas. Are you okay?
I am okay.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Relax. Relax. Yes, I have done. Are you okay?
I am okay.
How do you feel?
I am good.
Likes, these are likes. Now inspection. Does it hurt? Very well, very, very well. Thanks to physiotherapy, the muscle relaxed and I did it. Very well. Ciao bambina!
Дякуємо. Наследано.
Subscribe the channel and push like.